The RV industry is based on houses on wheels, and we think that's kind of a messed up idea. That's not why you go outside. You go outside to do something different. You don't want to bring the big flat screen TV with you. Your living room is the outdoors. I am Garrett Finney, founder and chief designer at TAXA Outdoors. So I grew up in the Northeast and was totally comfortable being a wilderness camper on the beach, in the water, everything. But then I moved to Texas because I had the opportunity to become a space architect and work at NASA. And I worked for 7 more years thinking about people living in equipment. What's vital to their lives and what's useful. The biggest thing I learned was that things want to be as small as they can be and as big as they need to be. So with my space architect background, I looked around at the world of RVs and thought, this is all wrong. So I started sketching the Cricket, which was our first product, and building full-scale mock-ups out of 2x4s and cardboard in my small architecture office. I founded TAXA Outdoors in 2009. TAXA makes adventure equipment that provides you comfort, security, and the ability to bring what you need on your adventure.
Hey Garrett.
Hey Forrest.
Good to meet you, man.
TAXA is so excited to be working with Forrest Galante. Let's go.
Let's go.
Forrest Galante is a wildlife biologist and travels the world looking for exotic and sometimes extinct animals. We're making him a special cricket to support his adventures.
That is awesome. It's got the camo, it's so compact. Wow.
You want a tour?
Yes, please.
2 latches, and then it just
Got
starts going up by itself.
Oh, look at that. Holy smokes.
And you're inside.
There's so much space in here.
It's a base camp. We are so excited to be supporting him and building him a Cricket so that he can take it on his adventures and have a remote office.
Pretty easy.
We want you to go have crazy adventures and tell us all about it.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Blown
you.
away.